Lock in the age of your dependent children for permanent residency to Canada. In the world of immigration, timing is key. This is true not just for the main applicant, but for their dependents too. Today, we want to show you the most important aspects to consider when including dependent children in your permanent residency applications and how timing can significantly impact their eligibility. Before we start, quick introduction. Who am I? I'm Reza from Ringway Canada, licensed immigration practitioner, and our office specializes in helping businesses, people, and families move across borders. Is this what I do for a living? No, I'm not an actual full-time YouTuber, but I work hands-on with our licensed team, working on actual applications and communicating with immigration departments, both inside and outside Canada, representing our clients. Why are we posting this video? These are made for the purpose of sharing our hands-on knowledge with our worldwide audience. And if you're thinking about immigrating, well, get a free email assessment for eligible applicants by filling out the form posted below this video. And of course, if you're an active immigration practitioner, reach out to us directly. We'd be happy to collaborate. First, let's determine whether your child can be classified and included as a dependent in your PR application. There are three main aspects to take into account. Age: if your child is under 22 years old and not married or in a common law relationship, they're considered a dependent. Exemptions for dependents over 22. Children who are 22 or older can still qualify if they've relied on their parents financially since before turning 22 and cannot support themselves due to a physical or mental condition. Marital status: your child must be unmarried and not in a common law relationship while the application is being processed. If they are single, divorced, or widowed, they're good to go as long as they remain that way until they become a permanent resident. A question we often get from our clients is what happens in the case of adopted children. A dependent child can be a biological offspring or an adopted child. For both, proof of the parent-child relationship will need to be shown through birth certificates, baptismal certificates, documents proving assisted human reproduction technologies, adoption orders, among others. Bear in mind that accompanying dependent children of spouses, common law partners, and conjugal partners can also be included in the application. In the event of custody issues with any of your dependents, it is important to know that IRCC will request proof that the child is allowed to be removed from their current jurisdiction. But what happens if your child is about to turn 22 years old or turns 22 while the PR application is in process? This is when IRCC refers to what is called the lock-in date. When you apply for immigration, the age of your dependent children, whether they're coming with you or staying behind, is fixed or locked in on the date your application is fully received. This means for family class and most applications at the federal level, your child's age is determined based on the day your complete application package, including all required documents and fees, is received, as long as they meet the age and marital status requirements. For provincial programs, children's ages are determined based on when the province receives the principal applicant's complete nomination application. An additional tip for those interested in business immigration: the Startup Visa program is one of the most secure methods to lock in the age of your dependent children, especially when they are about to reach the age threshold. This is because the process typically involves a faster application and processing timeline, ensuring that your children's ages are locked in at the time of application submission. In conclusion, whether it's through family or business immigration paths, the right timing can make all the difference for your children. Get ready and start early, especially if your child is nearing the age limit. Use these insights to smoothly include them in your journey to a new life in Canada. We hope this information helps you bring your loved ones by your side. If you're thinking about immigrating, whether permanently or temporarily, you're at the right place. I can guarantee only one point: you will know what to expect, the entire process clearly laid out for you, and all the risks identified, including costs. Our legal agreements are based on payment milestones, which are linked directly to your application progression. We do not take 100% advance payment for business immigration applicants. We have a $1 million liability insurance, which protects you and us from fraud or mistakes, as well as a dedicated client trust account with our Canadian banking institutions. Our team speaks over 9 languages, and we help applicants from over 49 different countries during the immigration process. You can click the link below this video and get a free email assessment for eligible applicants only. And if you're ready to apply and you want a one-on-one session with me or any of my licensed immigration team members at Ingwe, you can also book a session directly using the consultation link in the description of this video.